Good evening, good morning, wherever you are in the world. I'm still on this journey learning the guitar, playing some easy songs. And I learned this easy song, I Can't Help Falling in Love with You by Elvis. I'm playing it in D. Hope you enjoy it. Sing along. Maybe you could even suggest some songs for me to sing. Wise men say only fools rush in, but I can't help falling in love with you. Shall I stay? Would it be a sin? But I can't help falling in love with you. Like a river flows to the sea, darling, so it goes, something meant to be. Take my hand, take my whole life too, but I can't help falling in love with you. But I can't help falling